Hello people, great one. One of the cores of a leader is to engage their teams from the standpoint of what they know their team can be as compared to what they are. This means that a leader must place demands on their team according to their potential capacity. But the issue is that the team might most likely engage from the standpoint of what they are used to, because most times humans love comfort, and beyond that, nature would naturally just want to take every human to their raw form of primitiveness if proper nurture is not introduced through leadership. Lead life.